Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube live. In this live, I would like to talk about my AA course, especially the discount code. Okay, and I have provided the links in the description of the video. Just check that link. You can find my AA course at my website rajamanikam.com. RAJAMANICKAM.com. Okay, so here you can find the other links. The AA course link is available here under the recommended products, the first thing. Okay, so you can just click this one and you will open that course and you can go through the course details. Okay, I have provided the link. Let me first check whether that live is going on smoothly. Okay, so the live has started. I will be checking the audio level. Suppose if someone is watching this video right now, just let me know whether the audio is good or not. For me, I found it difficult to open that. Okay, and if there are any audio issues, just let me know. Otherwise, I will just open from this browser itself. Let me open that because in my mobile I couldn't access that. Okay, so anyone is there? Okay, so there are two people, so just let me know whether you are facing any kind of difficulty in listening to that audio. Okay, so let me first check that. Okay, in the meantime you can just go through rajamanikam.com. Any kind of difficulty. Okay, it's okay right now, it's okay, but that audio quality is not that much good as like YouTube Studio Web, but there I found some difficulty in using camera. That is why I just right now I am using OBS Studio. Okay, now let me continue using that. Okay, without camera. Okay, because mostly I am going to explain the things by sharing my screen. So in that case it's okay. And if you have any questions, you can ask me. That is the purpose of this YouTube live. Okay, because I already talked about my AA course multiple times, and I already mentioned about the discount offer also. It is just to explain the things, like clarifying the things, because I understand that people from various countries, they may be facing difficulties in using different payment methods, other things, and just course delivery, accessing course, and how to go through the course. That kind of questions will be there for everyone, right? You can ask that kind of questions. Okay, so that is the purpose of this live session. Let me just continue talking about it. And as I said, first you go to rajamanikam.com, click this AA course and come to this AA course, go through the details. I listed all the details about the course, like this AA course has more than 8 hours of tutorial videos and 9 related ebooks, and a lot of code samples and infographics. And I hope it will be really useful for both beginners as well as professionals to learn artificial intelligence AI, so that they can start using AI in their daily life as well as for their career improvement. Okay, if they're doing some kind of business, they can start exploring about using AI for improving their business. That is the purpose of this AI course. It's a full-fledged AI course. Okay, not targeting any specific person, starting from what is AI and understanding AI basics with easy examples and best practices and tips for using ChatGPT and Gemini, famous and useful AI tools, Notebook, LM, so it's trying to address all the basic things about AI. And apart from that, it will be useful for developers also, AI developers, so that they can learn RAG, retrieval augmented generation, and AI agents development, MCP, and LangChain, LangGraph, that kind of libraries. Okay, so here you can just use the discount code QPT. Okay, so use the discount code QPT to get a discount. QPT, that code will be giving 50% discount. Okay, so just use that discount, and tell about this offer to your friends also, and if you face any difficulty in using that offer, let me know. Okay, that is one thing. And if you are in India, you can get it for very low price in case if you are able to make the payment through UPI. So that thing you can check through this. But this involves manual process that you have to understand. In case of UPI payment, I won't be receiving your email ID or phone number. You have to contact me after making the UPI payment. Anyway, if you prefer that, you can use that. In that case, you can get it for just for 300 rupees. Okay. Or if you are planning to use PayPal, in that case, $8. Okay. So, but it's a manual process. If you are willing to get the course delivery automatically, then use this rajamanikyam.com link. Okay. Okay. So this is about the discount offer for my AA course. And as I told you earlier, I already explained about this discount in my previous videos. This particular video is to clarify the things. Suppose if you have any questions, or if you want me to teach AA personally, you can have any questions related to that. Already I put a blog post to explain about one-on-one AA coaching. Just come to my blog by searching for QPT blog. Go to Google and then search QPT space blog. You'll be shown that results, right? And there just click this one, Quality Point Technologies QPT. QPT stands for Quality Point Technologies. This is the blog URL is blog.qualitypointtech.com. Okay, just to make sure that you are opening the proper correct one. And here you can click this one-on-one AA coaching. Okay, a paid one-on-one AA coaching to learn AA, especially RAG, MCP, LangGraph, and AA agents. If you are new to my channel and my blog, just you can check my LinkedIn profile to know about me. I have more than 25 years of experience in IT, including web development, test automation, and AI development. Okay, you can just check the details through LinkedIn. And as I explained earlier, I'm selling this self-packed or recorded AI course. Okay. But I understand that some people will be interested in learning the things personally. Okay, so for them my one-on-one AA coaching will be really useful. But one-on-one AA coaching, in that sense, it is not scalable, right? I cannot do it for like more than 6 or 8 hours per day. Okay, so in that case it is it has limitations. It's not scalable. in case of self-packed AA course, I can sell any number of copies at any time, right? And that kind of restriction is there. So if you are really interested in one-on-one AA coaching, just contact me. Otherwise, my suggestion is just go through this recorded AA course. I have a lot of ebooks and a lot of tutorial videos. And then if you have any questions, just you can just book very limited number of hours to get clarifications, or if you need any assistance, right? That is for one kind of people who are willing to save time and money, right? But if you have enough money to like spend for learning AA through one-on-one AA coaching, then in that case you can directly book one-on-one AA coaching, so that you can save your time. You need not stuck somewhere. Okay, so that is for another kind of people. So my suggestion is, as I said, just explore both things, buying recorded course as well as joining one-on-one coaching based on your budget and availability, time, other things. You can just book choose the number of hours based on that criteria. Okay, that is what my suggestion. If you are interested to join this one-on-one AA coaching, you can just send an email to me by sending the message to rajamanikyam.a@gmail.com, or you can send message to my WhatsApp number also. Okay, you can book even just 1 hour. Okay, so there is no need to there are no rules like you have to book this much hour like that. Even you can just book 1 hour but one session should be of minimum 1 hour. You cannot split the 1 hour booking into multiple sessions. That is important thing. And sometimes I will be giving some discounts. Okay, right now I'm charging 800 rupees per hour in India, $12 per hour globally, but sometimes in the sense, if based on your schedule, like if you are willing to book the time during India afternoon time, then I will be having mostly I will be free that time period. So in that case, I can give some discount. Suppose if you are planning to book my time in the India morning time and evening night time, like late evening, then in that case the regular charge is applicable, because people from other countries like US and Brazil, they are showing interest to book my time at that time period. Okay, so that is one factor. Okay, so I can teach RAG, MCP, LangGraph, AI agents, that kind of stuff. And apart from that, if you want me to teach very basic things like prompt engineering, how to use AI tools, I can explain that things also. If you go through my Amazon site, you can Amazon author profile, you can find my books. I released a lot of books on various topics. I can teach those things. Okay, like you can just go to Amazon. If you are in US, go to amazon.com. If you are in India, you can go to amazon.in. Okay, like that. Go to your country specific Amazon site and then search for my name, and then click my name, Rajamanikam Antony Muthu. It will show all my books. Okay, so you can just get some idea about what are the things I can teach. Okay, so that is about one-on-one coaching. But if you have any questions, you can ask me. Okay, and let me just check whether Amazon got loaded. Okay, so now it's loaded. So the most popular book is A Christmas Magic, because of this Christmas season, right? So many people are interested in buying that book. Suppose if you are interested, you can buy that book also. Mostly all my books are available in different formats, like Kindle version, paperback version, and audiobook. Audiobook in the sense it is like a virtual AI voice audio provided by Amazon KDP, but that voice is good only. You can just check the sample voice. Okay, just click any book. Say for example, if you are clicking that book, you can just check the sample voice. Okay, so here you can just click virtual voice sample. You can listen to some almost I'm making sales like equivalent to ebook sales. I'm making sales of audiobooks also, and it seems people are interested in listening to the AI voice. But the AI was, as you know, AI voice is now improving better, right? A lot of new models are there.
Virtual voice, computer generated narration for audiobooks.
So I'm not sure whether you are able to listen to that. Okay, that's fine. I will just close that.
Chapter 1, the beginning of an AI-powered Christmas.
Okay. Anyway, the prices are very low only. Okay, so you can just buy that and you can just listen the entire book. Okay, and even the Kindle also, I said very low price. Apart from that, Amazon also giving some discounts. Okay, they are running some discount offer. Just for 55 cents, you can get it today. Okay, so I'm just seeing it, but I said around $2.99, but Amazon is providing further discounts. Okay, so just explore all my books. What I'm trying to say is, here I provided a lot of AI related books. Okay, so you can check that also, and some books are available in this site itself, rajamanikam.com. But most of my AI related books are included in this AI course also. So in that case, you can just purchase this AI course. Okay, so it will be included with a lot of AI related ebooks. Okay, but Amazon has some exclusive books also. Okay, so that I can enroll into KDP Select program. And that case, I enrolled around 20 books into KDP Select program. The recent books are enrolled into KDP Select program. That means if you are Kindle Unlimited member, you can freely read those books. Okay, so a lot of people are currently reading that books. Similarly, you can also start reading the books. Okay, and if you like the books, remember to add your ratings and review comments. Okay. Here just I wanted to show that I can teach these things. Okay, but my priority is teaching RAG, retrieval augmented generation. That is what my high priority. So if you are interested in learning RAG, you can always contact me. Others, if I have free time, I can teach even simple things like Python and simple prompt engineering, how to use AI tools, that kind of stuff also I can teach. Okay. And moreover, as I said, I have more than 25 years of experience in IT, like doing web development, test automation, doing small businesses, like website flipping, ebook sales, and course selling. Like a lot of things I am exploring, right? So what I'm trying to say is, if you want to learn AI for any specific purpose, for improving a business or any kind of things, I can easily understand your requirements, and then I can customize my teaching based on your business requirements. Okay, that is what I wanted to highlight it. And even if you want me to teach SQL or Python basics, that also I can teach. Okay, but I will be giving more importance for teaching RAG, retrieval augmented generation, because personally I believe that there is a huge demand for learning RAG, and for people like job opportunities or any kind of career perspective, or even for business improvement. Understanding RAG or knowing RAG is an added advantage. That is what my understanding by going through various social media discussions related to RAG. Okay. So other than that, a lot of AI related tools are there. Learning every tool may not be that much important, but understanding the basic concept, what is AI, how it is differing from traditional programming, what is machine learning, what is deep learning, what are LLMs or any kind of foundation models, and like how ChatGPT is working, what is the difference between ChatGPT.com and GPT-5, that model. Like I came to know that, or I realized that a lot of people are a bit confusing those things. Like so I can clarify those things, and since I spent a lot of time in doing software testing long back, I came up with this software testing in the AI era also, that book also. And suppose someone with a software testing background, if they want to learn AI, I can teach them effectively. That is what I wanted to say, because of my previous experience with web development and software development and digital marketing, that kind of exposure, software testing, that kind of exposure. I can understand any business requirements or anyone's learning expectations easily, and then I can guide them accordingly. Okay, so as I specified earlier, I may not be continuing these kinds of coaching continuously, because I have a lot of plans, like improving my Amazon books, and start spending time for promoting them. Already I have plans to promote my AI course rigorously, because a few months back I released this course by putting a lot of efforts, like 8 hours of tutorial videos, and I spend a lot of time in tweaking them, and I keep on updating the course, and right now it has more than 9 AI related ebooks and a lot of articles and code samples and infographics like that. I spend a lot of time, almost I spend dedicatedly spend 6 months. Okay, but I'm not seeing expected sales. Okay, though it is priced very low, and it comparing to high priced courses, it is very good from my personal opinion. But a lot of people are saying that if you check my Udemy, that same course is available at Udemy also. You can find the link to Udemy. There people are saying that it is easy to understand and it's excellent, like that, right? So here also people are saying that it's good. Okay, so basically it's good. Okay, and I'm not saying that it is suitable for everyone, but I tried my best to make it suitable for everyone, right? So it's somewhat useful and interesting to use, right? So in that case, that the price is very very low. Just I said $19 only, while the similar courses are selling for hundreds of even thousands of dollars. Okay, so in that case, it is very very affordable, and still I'm giving offers. But the problem is it's not reaching the relevant people. So I just started affiliate program. I'm offering 50% affiliate commission, okay, for promoting my course, okay. And in that case, you have to join us Gumroad Affiliate. It is free and you can easily do that. Okay, that things I will be explaining, but what I'm trying to say here right now is I tried this option, and I spent significant time for teaching the people to join us affiliate, and I for some people I explained about how to do it effectively, and with that effort I was able to get around 45 affiliates, okay. But the problem is they are not making enough sales, and I understand that they are not motivated to do that, okay. So so instead of that, I understand that they can easily earn money, but before confidently telling them, I need to prove that, right? So in that perspective, I decided to personally spend time in doing digital marketing for my AA course. That is the reason why I'm doing these kinds of live, and I'm creating YouTube shorts and a lot of things, right? So recently I started things because I put a lot of effort, 6 months of effort. I thought affiliates can earn money. It's a win-win approach. Affiliates can earn money. I can make it as sales. By doing that, I can also earn money. That's what my initial plan. Because affiliates, they may not be knowing about AA, and they cannot create that kind of courses that are in high demand, right? But they can do the marketing, they can do the sales, and they can approach a lot of people by putting a lot of efforts. That is what my initial plan, but I understand that people are not interested in doing that, okay. Or in other words, I'm not able to reach the people who are actually interested in that, okay. People are interested in these things. It's true, because I'm watching a lot of social media. People are putting a lot of hard work, even for 4% commission or 10% commission offered by Amazon, okay. So we cannot say that people are not that kind of people are there. That kind of people are actually there, but I couldn't find them, or I couldn't reach them as of now, okay. So I am using these kinds of platforms to find that kind of people also. So if you're digital marketer, or even you are just a person with significant contacts, you can just make use of this opportunity. It's a win-win approach, right? So you can just contact me to join us affiliate. Maybe we can discuss that, okay. But what I'm trying to do right now is because of these kinds of things, right now I'm involving myself personally to do these kinds of digital marketing. Because I already spent a lot of time in creating the course, and preparing this kind of marketing efforts, right? So now I would like to do full-fledged sales, okay. So that is what my high priority right now. So that is the reason why I'm offering a lot of discounts to make the conversion quickly, okay. And even if you're affiliate, I can create discount code for you also with your brand name or your name, okay. Okay, that things we can discuss separately. Maybe we can have a Google Meet discussion with the potential affiliates, okay. Or even we can go one-on-one discussion also, that we will explore based on my available timing, something. But if you're interested in affiliate marketing, just ping me by sending message to my email ID. I provided email ID in this blog post, rajamanikam.a@gmail.com. Even in the description I provided my email ID. Just check that, and we can discuss, okay. Okay, that's but joining affiliate and start promoting the things, that and all very easy only, but to make the sales you have to do a lot of hard work. You should be very focused, okay. That kind of things maybe we can discuss, okay. But right now I'm just spending significant time for doing the promotion myself, okay. And if you have any questions, you can ask me so that I can explain that. It will be useful for others also. Okay, so here I listed all the things, benefits of this AI course, and a list of videos included in this AI course, like what is AI, a simple guide for beginners, understand AI basics with easy examples, best practices and tips for using ChatGPT and Gemini, famous and useful AI tools, Notebook LM, prompt engineering, hallucinations, unlocking the power of AI for digital marketing, creating MCQ quiz using Google Gemini. Okay, use Google Gemini to earn money online, Twitter promotion using Google Gemini, prompt Gmail docs drive with Google Gemini. Okay, so that time when I started creating these kinds of course materials, that time Gemini was somewhat like popular. Okay, but now we know that ChatGPT is leading, and moreover the Google Gemini is free to use, right? That is the reason why I selected that option. But now again, now Google ChatGPT also now connected to internet. Okay, internet is not, the model is not having latest information, but somehow they are managing maybe function calling, tool calling, that kind of things. Maybe if you are technically interested, you can watch my tutorial videos to know those things. Okay, but anyway, right now like we can use ChatGPT, Google Gemini in the same level, right? But previously ChatGPT was lacking the latest things. Okay, so that is the reason why I explained everything through Google Gemini. Okay, that time only the paid version of ChatGPT had that option. Okay, so anyway, now you can explore the same thing with ChatGPT also. If you are interested in learning the very basics of training AI model, and like many people are having that kind of questions, right? What is AI model? What is training? So for that kind of people, this Google Teachable Machine, that tutorial video will be useful. And the next video is for comparing machine learning versus deep learning. And then the next video is ultimate list of AI tools to explore in 2025. And then sample conversation with ChatGPT, Google AI Studio. Like if you go through the things, you can understand that it is useful for beginners as well as developers also, right? So Python for AI developers, training a simple TensorFlow model with a Google Colab, scikit-learn, AI jargon for beginners, Hugging Face tutorial, like AI chatbot deployment, TensorFlow playground explanation, and then RAG, retrieval augmented generation tutorial, and Google Gemini gems, and getting started with Google Gemini API, like a tutorial for explaining about how to use simple like Gemini API. Okay, in a very simple example. And ChatGPT creates marketing images just to showcase the ability of ChatGPT. And then AI agent tutorial and simple AI agent demo using LangChain, and that LangChain is a library, Python library. And a chatbot tutorial like a LangChain context memory, Streamlit UI, Hugging Face deployment. Okay, it is a full-fledged tutorial to learn chatbot, how to develop a chatbot. Okay, and this topic is about computer vision using YOLO model and RoboFlow platform. And then MCP tutorial, it will be useful to learn about model context protocol, MCP. Both server and clients, you have to understand those things, right? And LangGraph tutorial for creating AI agents. LangGraph library will be more useful. And obviously context engineering these days, because of the latest developments happening with AI agents, other advanced AI applications, that approaches. We need to understand about context engineering. Previously, everyone was talking about prompt engineering, right? That is, the scope is limited. That in that case, that scope of prompt engineering is to tweak the input to the LLM. That is considering only the LLM, because that is what previously existing, right? So previously only LLMs were there, but now we have a lot of setups like LLM associated with like memory functions or tool calling tools, that are the various things. Okay, so in that case we have to think in a broad way. So now it is evolving into context engineering. Okay, Context engineering, like just like simple introduction, but if you want more details, in the Amazon I have added a lot of books, and in that books list you can see that the context engineering, a context engineering book also. Okay, so similarly I'm just trying to create a book for all the topics like LangChain, LangGraph, AI agents. Okay, okay, so that I will be working on adding more books later. Okay, so right now if you are Kindle Unlimited member, you can freely read those books. Okay, and let me know if you have any other questions. Okay, and if you're a non-technical person but still if you want to do some kind of automation using AI, then you can consider this book, buying this AI N8 that kind of explanation. So it's very simple. Okay, and but for long time, or if you want to have a very maintainable and effective system, it is better to go with some kind of coding, but we have to use some libraries to save time, like a LangChain. Okay, so that is what my personal recommendation, but I understand that various people will be feeling in a different way, right? I noticed that some people are very much comfortable in using N8. So for that kind of people, this book will be useful, and they have to explore more. That is what thing, but just to give some overview, some idea to start with that, right? So, and this book, actually I believe this book will be really useful. Already a lot of people are using. If we check the sales rank, it is improving. So here it is improving, right? But moreover, this is Amazon.com sales rank, but other people from other countries are buying this book more because it is for learning English, right? So yes, especially people in India from Amazon.in, they are making sales. Okay, purchase. There's I'm making sales. Okay, so like if you are interested in knowing about the various AI tools that are useful to learn English, you can just buy this. Okay, but this is just, even if you're not interested in learning English, you can just get some idea what are the different tools, how the companies are developing tools for using AI, especially LLMs, effectively, right? In that perspective also it will be useful. But I just tried my best to come up with books that are useful for various domains, like software testing, and for beginners, and for advanced users like AI developers, and AI tools for healthcare professionals, useful for people in medical field, and for teachers. Okay, so I'm exploring those things, and even I have plans for creating books for AI tools that are useful for YouTubers, and AI tools that are useful for digital marketers, like that. Okay, so if you need any specific kind of book, you can just specify in the comment section. I will explore about creating that kind of books. Okay, this is all about my book. And while talking about book, I wanted to tell one key thing. This is Christmas season, right? Now people are looking for Christmas gift idea. They are exploring various ideas. I would suggest my book. A few months back, I released that book titled Dream Big, Move Forward Inch by Inch. It is a full-fledged motivational book, and it has a lot of information, including a lot of motivational quotes collection and summary from various TED Talks, so that we can improve our soft skills and other skills. Okay, let me check that. Okay. So, and moreover, I just released a mini version of that motivational book also. But anyway, first let me tell about that important book, Dream Big, Move Forward Inch by Inch. This is the book I'm referring. This book is a full-fledged motivational book, including a lot of information and good collection of motivational quotes. I'm selling it for a very affordable price only. My suggestion is you can give it as a Christmas gift to your friends and family members. It will be a suitable gift. In that case, you can just get the Kindle version first, so that you can check the quality of the content of the book, and then you can decide to make the purchase of paperback to give as a gift to your friends. In that case, even I'm offering a free version also. Go to my blog and then check this. Are you looking for a Christmas gift idea? Okay. So here you can find this link. Download the ebook version for free here. If you click this link, you can get my that motivational book for free, because this page is loaded with 100% discount code. Okay, so here the price is showing as 0, right? In that case, you have to click this buy this button, but need not make any payment. You have to just give your email ID to get the content, right? So if you are satisfied with this content of that book, then decide to buy the paperback version for the purpose of giving as a gift. Okay, it's a good opportunity to check the content freely. Okay, I decided to do that because someone intentionally put some negative comment, right? A full AA book. Okay, so people are hesitating to buy this book. So I understand that fact, and that is the reason why I am offering the ebook version for free. So you can freely get that. Okay, so you can get the feel that it is really useful, because I put a lot of effort. Okay, in case of many books, I'm spending less than 1 day only to come up with the book with the help of ChatGPT. And for my AA course, I spend around 6 months. But for this book, I spend a lot of time. Okay, not directly for this book, but indirectly. Actually, this book, I prepared this book from the content I used to add at my website, thecourse.net. Okay, it's a motivational course website. We are running to give motivational quotes and publish a lot of motivational articles, soft skill articles. Okay, so I spent many years, starting from the year 2011, that time period itself. I have been putting a lot of effort to come up with this book. This website, thecourse.net, that content. It has a lot of content and a lot of even it has say for example, you can just click any author, okay, and it will be showing that author's short bio, and it will be listing all the quotes of that author and Facebook cover image and video, like that. Okay, and suppose if you want to get that books, Amazon books, maybe you can click this famous quotes. Here near the author name, I provided this Amazon icon, right? If you click that Amazon icon, then it will be opening this Amazon page of that particular author. So here there you can make the purchase of that author's book. Okay, so a lot of things I put a lot of effort, and it has a lot of more Facebook cover images. You can click this FB covers. Okay, and a lot of motivational articles. So you can check this motivation section. Okay, so if you click this motivation section, you can find a lot of motivational articles. Okay, what I'm trying to say is I put a lot of effort for coming up with this site, and based on this site content, I created a mobile app. You can click this app button, right? So it got a lot of good ratings and reviews. If you go through the review comments, all are positive mostly. Okay, so that is the reason behind coming up with this motivational book. I thought, okay, we can, because not everyone will be interested in getting the apps, right? Some people are still traditional. They will be expecting the content in the paperback version, right, or at least ebook version. So in that case, I decided to come up with this book. Initially, I just released only as motivational quotes alone. That book also there. Okay, then I thought of here that book. Then I thought of adding a lot of useful content again. So in that process, I came up with this book. It's highly relevant for giving us a Christmas gift, okay, to your friends and family members. As I said, you can freely check the ebook content by clicking this link, okay, and if you like that, you can just explore about buying the paperback version for giving us a gift, okay. So that I wanted to highlight, okay. But other than these books, except few books, as I said, this motivational quotes book, and here I showed motivational quotes book, right? This motivational quotes book, and this Dream Big book, and this mini motivational book. This mini motivational book is a shorter version of that Dream Big book, because I understand that not everyone will be interested in reading like a book with a lot of pages, right? So for that kind of persons, I summarized the content and released it as a mini motivational book, okay. But my personal suggestion is, if you decide to give us a gift, better give that Dream Big book, because that includes a collection of motivational quotes also. But just mini motivational book, that won't be having that thing. But for some reason, if you want to give this gift of only the best motivational quotes, then you can consider this book. This book I released many years back, so it got good ratings also, okay. Hopefully, I believe my Dream Big book also will be getting good ratings in the coming days. But if you are concerned is about good ratings, maybe you can go with this quotes book, okay. And moreover, the paperback version, that price is comparatively low comparing to the Dream Big book, because of the less number of pages, okay. Okay, it's up to you to decide which one to buy, but almost my suggestion is Dream Big, move forward inch by inch. And some people specified that some chapters are a bit boring to read because of many number of pages. Okay, that's okay. But anyway, if they are not interested, they may skip that part, okay. But that will include almost all the content, okay. So that is what my suggestion. There is not much price difference, right? So my suggestion is just to go with this one, okay. And I believe it can sell well in the coming days. My personal advantage of promoting this book compared to other thing is that the title, like best motivational quotes, these things are very common title, right? And I just try to set a unique title for this book, Dream Big, Move Forward Inch by Inch. And in the long term, these kinds of branding will be useful for me. That is one key reason for focusing on this book. But anyway, it's up to your choice. So you can decide this book, or mini motivational book, or best motivational quotes, that quotes only collection, that book, okay. But my personal suggestion or recommendation is go with this Dream Big book, okay. But like people will be hesitating by seeing this lack of reviews, right, or this negative review. So in that case, what I'm suggesting is just to go to my blog and check this blog post. Are you looking for Christmas gift idea? Then click this link, rajamanikam.com Dream Big/Dream Big, right? This link, just click that link and get that ebook version for free, okay, as of now. So in that case, just go through the content, and if you feel that it is really worthy, then just come to amazon.com and search for my name, or even you can search for Dream Big, Move Forward Inch by Inch, okay. Or you Dream Big, Move Forward Inch by Inch, okay. So it's showing my book, right? Otherwise, if it is not showing, search my name, okay. So just make sure that you are choosing this books section, and then search that, then click that paperback, right? Audiobook also there, and if you want to freely read the audiobook, in that case, this Amazon audiobook is AI generated, but I personally recorded that book audio with my own voice. It may not be that much good, but anyway, if you are comfortable in listening to my voice, maybe you can listen to this audiobook also, okay. So here you can See that, right? So the timestamp, the things are there. If suppose you want to straight away go to live lessons from Richard Feynman, you can just click this like that. Okay. So I spent significant time in preparing these things, and if you are interested, just check that. This one also, it's a way of like judging the quality of the book, right? You can just go through at any section and then get the content, and you can just judge whether that book will be useful or not, right? Here I provided that paperback book link. Here you can click that. Okay. So otherwise, as I said, I just try to make this book title unique, right? So if you search for Dream Big, Move Forward Inch by Inch in Google, Google can say show the related things, right? So I opened incognito window, so I just search that. It is showing that videos, right? So since I am in India, it's showing Amazon.in link. Okay. So just explore those things, and even you can buy from my blog also directly, ebook. Okay, so that is one option. Initially I started with this one, then I started selling it from Amazon and selling it from rajamanikam.com. But each one has different approaches, right? This one is direct PayPal. I'll be getting the full amount except PayPal fees, small fees. But in case of Gumroad, that is rajamanikam.com, that will be taking significant fees. Gumroad will be facing. Okay, Amazon obviously it will be taking its amount, then it will be paying as a royalty after a few months, right? So different things are there. So personally, I would suggest buying from this blog post. That is what my personal suggestion. Okay. Anyway, just search for Dream Big, Move Forward Inch by Inch from Google, and then you can find various ways to buy it. Okay, and, or you can straight away go to Amazon and then search for it. Okay, it's up to you. And these things are all about choosing the appropriate Christmas gift. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can contact me. And let me continue talking about my other books. These are all only 3 books are, right? Motivational books, and 2 other books like earning from YouTube channel, and like Monopoly of Google, and earning from web development. Only other few books. Okay, all other books out of 41 books. Right now I have 41 books. Out of all that 41 books, all other books are related to AI. Okay, so right now AI is a very important thing, right? So we know, right, especially LLMs are making a lot of changes in our career and life. So it is very important to follow up with that. We should be familiar with that, right? So in that perspective, I'm spending a lot of time in preparing AI related things. Even my career perspective, previously I have been doing web development kind of work, and now I decided to put a lot of effort to learn AI and teach AI, and write about AI, create videos about AI, and mostly that entire thing is now moving towards AI, right? One second. Okay, so these are the things about my books, and if any other questions, you can just ask them through the comment section. I'll be answering them in the next live. Okay. Okay, thanks. And remember about the discount code QPT if you're planning to buy my AA course from this page, or my suggested one is you can make purchase through my blog. Okay, here if you are in India, just 300 rupees, others can get it for just $8, but only thing is manual process. Right now I have significant time, free time, so I am just allowing this thing, but in the coming days I will be removing this, and I will be using only these automated things. Okay, but right now I am allowing that. In that time period you can make use of that discounted, because even if you are getting 50% discount, that amount will be slightly higher than this 300 rupees in India, right? So the 300 rupees is the best offer, right? So just think about that. Okay, so let me just stop this live now. Okay, thanks, bye. Tell about this offer to your friends also. Okay, I'm ending this.